Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned in this module. After independence, India faced many conflicts in making a series of major decisions. During independence, there were two models of modern development: the liberal capitalist model like USA and Europe, and socialist model as in the USSR. The Soviet development model impressed many, including Communist Party of India and the Socialist Party and Congress leaders like Nehru. After independence, the Indian government took up the tasks of poverty, attenuation, social and economic redistribution, and development of agriculture as the prime responsibility. The Bombay Plan involved state in taking major industrial initiatives and economic investments. Planning Commission of India was set up in 1950 as an extra-constitutional body like USSR. It opted for 5-year plans or FYP. The first 5-year plan was released in 1951, drafted by economist K. N. Roy, aiming at land reforms, investment in dams and irrigation, and to raise the level of national income. Second 5-year plan FYP emphasized on heavy industrialization even in rural areas, drafted by a team of economists and planners under the leadership of P.C. Mahalanobis. India not only followed capitalist or socialist economy, but also adopted mixed economy to coexist private and public sector. The agrarian sector witnessed a serious attempt at land reforms to abolish zamindari system, but these were not much success due to people violated laws under the considerable political influence, and some laws remained only on papers. The largest developmental projects of India's history, which includes mega dams like Bhakra Nangal and Hirakund for irrigation and power generation. Some of the heavy industries in the public sector like oil refineries, steel plants, manufacturing units, defense production, etc. was started during this period. US pushed India to change its economic policies. A new strategy for agriculture was adopted to ensure food sufficiency, Green Revolution.